First of all, click on sketch and select 3D sketch and draw any line from the origin. Keep it normal and draw again a line perpendicular to it and define its dimension by click on smart dimension. Enter its value is 3.25 and keep the line at 90-degree angle. And also define its length of 3 mm. And again click on line command and continue with 3D sketch. Now again defining the sketch. Its length 10 mm. Click on first point and second point and give dimensions. This is 3.25 mm. Adding a fillet of 2 mm between the two lines. Enter value 2 mm and select both the lines. Draw a line again. By clicking on point and keep it in a perpendicular position and define its length of 6 mm and draw a fillet again between both these edges is 1.25 mm. Now define its angle as 45 degree. Now exit from the sketch and now we are going to create a plane. So click on reference geometry and select any plane. Select the right plane and click on the point. Keep the plane in normal position and draw a circle. Define its length of 6.5 mm diameter. Keep this circle in vertical position from the origin. And adding relation between the circle and the line is tangent. Select line and circle and add relation tangent between them. And again exit from the sketch. Click on curves and select helix or spiral curve. Here we have two parameters, it's constant pitch or variable pitch. So we have to select variable pitch. Here we can define its pitch, revolution, height of the helix and its diameter. So we are firstly going to define its pitch of 2 and its revolution and its diameter. Pitch of 1.25 and its revolution of 5 and height 9.62 and changing its diameter is 4.5. So here we have add different value of its diameter, and and start angle at 90 degrees and remain in counterclockwise, and click on OK. So here you can see that a variable helix is driven. So now again we are going to create a plane. With the reference of last plane, and click on point and hide the last one plane. Now again we are going to draw a sketch. You can also draw it with the help of circle or arc command. So define its diameter of 4.5 mm and keep half of the circle and trim the left one. Now again exit from the sketch and hide the plane. Now again click on feature for the creation of new plane. Click on reference geometry and select point and click on helix. Keep the plane in normal position again, and with the help of line command draw a sketch. Draw a line and curve. Add some relation between them and click on line and helix and add relation PS. Define its arc radius is 1.75 mm. Keep both the line at the angle of 15 degree. Add relation horizontal between them. And define the line height, and the arc height is 1.75. And its length is 1.25 mm, but we cannot able to draw this because we already have add a relation horizontal between them, so we need to delete the relation. So delete the relation, and you can also see the relation in the sketch by clicking on display and delete relation. Again click on smart dimension and click on origin and the line and define its height from the helix side is 1.25 mm. So now your sketch is fully defined, and exit from the sketch. Click on feature and curve and select project curve. So now we are going to project the curve. Click on sketch on sketch and select both the sketch. And you can see here a new curve here driven. Now hide the plane. And this sketch here created with different line and curves, so for its smoothness we need to combine the helix and sketch. So click on curve and select composite curve and select all the sketch and click on OK. Now you can see it's a single driven curve. Now again create a plane. Keep the plane in normal position and draw a circle of diameter 1 mm from the origin. It's 1 diameter mm and exit from the sketch and hide the plane. Now we are going to sweep both the sketch, select path and profile and click on OK and hide the helix. Now again we are going to create a plane with end reference, so click on face and enter 0 and OK, and click on mirror, select feature and plane and OK. Now you can see here a new body is created with the help of 3D sketch and project curves. We can also change its appearance by just right click and select appearance, select body and give any color which you want. And OK, we can also define its material by clicking on material and edit material. Here you can see that a number of material are given, so you can select which you want. I'm going to select a copper and click on OK. I remove the last one appearance and you can see that the material look like copper.